you guys come up here?
Like before, remember you're going to shake hands with each person. Go down the stairs and go back to your table. Ready? Don't forget to speak English. Say hi, good morning. 1, 2, 3, go. I'll just quickly ask Attamit students to introduce themselves, just to say a few quick words. Stand up and introduce yourself, please.
I'm like question number 1.
Introduce yourself.
Morning, my name is Boris. In my class at Attamit school. In my free time, I like to make my plastic model and play with my birds.
Good morning, my name is Bongo. I am Turtle 5/4 at Attamit school. In my free time, I like to listen to music and read comic books. At BBS school. In my free time, I like to play piano.
I'm a piano player.
โอ้ยดังๆเลยสิสหคะแนนสังคมเลยนี่
They like to watch TV.
ไม่มีใครแบบยกก๊อปปี้เลยนะหน้าเราเห็นนะยากไหมที่จะคือก๊อปปี้
Okay, thank you very much. Right. Last time P4 BBS chose first, so this time we'll invite Attamit to choose the question first.
I would like number 1 about geography.
Number 1 about geography. Right, that's my question. Right, capital city question, okay? It is easy if you know the answer. What is the capital city of the country where you can see kangaroos? Is the answer?
I think the answer is Canberra.
Is it Canberra? 1 point for Attamit. Canberra in Australia. Right.
And this sport number 1.
Sport number 1. Right. Look at this. This weekend is the start of the Rugby World Cup 2011. Now there's a choice of countries: Australia, England, New Zealand and South Africa. The question is, which country will the Rugby World Cup be played in? Which country is the home of the World Cup, Rugby World Cup this week?
South Africa.
I think the answer is South Africa. No, I'm sorry. Last time it was South Africa, 4 years ago.
We think the answer is New Zealand.
The answer is
New Zealand.
New Zealand, yes. Another point for Attamit. And Attamit's turn to choose.
I would like question number 2 about science.
Science, number 2. Do you want to read this one? Listen carefully.
What do you call a computer that is smaller than a notebook, but bigger than a smartphone, and it has no keyboard?
Listen one more time.
What do you call a computer that is smaller than a notebook, but bigger than a smartphone, and it has no keyboard?
We think the answer is netbook.
No, you are not right.
ใครตอบได้คุณตอบ
That would be right, but a netbook has a keyboard.
Okay. 5 seconds, okay? 4, 3,
Answer again.
2,
ต่อไปค่ะเพื่อครู
what's that?
iPad.
What is an iPad? iPad is a brand name, but what is an iPad? Okay, we have talked about this and we've decided that the answer could be iPad or tablet. We would accept either answer. Okay, so we will take your answer, yes. Okay. Right, BBS, your turn to choose.
I would like maths number 5.
Maths number 5.
Number 5. Okay, ready? A large square is made up of small squares. How many squares are there? A large square is made up of small squares. How many squares are there?
We're going to change the question because
The answer can be, yeah, it's open. Yeah.
to give an answer. There are many possible answers.
4 squares.
Okay, 4 squares, yes. We'll give you a point. The answer could be 4 or 9 or 16 or 25. So it'll be 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4, like that. So your answer is correct. Very good. Right, Attamit.
I would like question number 3 about sport, please.
Okay, thank you. Right, number 3 about sports. Right. Here's a picture of Mario and Luigi from computer game. They're playing tennis, but they've got 2 balls. I don't know why. And the score in the game is 40 and 40. In the game What do we say when the score is 40-40? Do we say juice, draw, 40 all, or juice? 40-40. What do we say in English when the score is 40-40? Have to push you for an answer? 5.
I think the answer is draw.
Draw. Is that right? No.
Deal.
This one? D-E-U-C-E is the correct answer. Yes. When Mr. Scott was 7 years old, he watched tennis and he heard this word. And I didn't know it was juice. I thought it was juice. I thought it was time for the players to drink juice. I was wrong. Okay. BBS. Sport number 2.
Okay, here we go. What was the score between Australia and Thailand in their football match last Friday evening?
Australia beat Thailand 2-1 goals.
Very good.
Right, Attamit.
Question number 2 about geography.
Geography number 2. Okay, geography question number 2. I'm going to show you a flag. Okay, and I want to know the name of the country. What country is this? Is the answer Malaysia? Mine says yes, and she's right. You're right. It's Malaysia. Yes, very good. And for group 1, I think BBS have one more question to choose.
I would like sport 4.
Sport number 4. Right, sport number 4. Do you want to ask this one? Yes.
In which sport do the athletes run, jump, hop, skip, use rings, and jump over a horse? In which sport do the athletes run, jump, hop, skip, use rings, and jump over a horse?
But it's not a real horse. Its name is a horse. It's got 4 legs.
5 seconds. 4.
Olympic.
Name of the sport is not Olympics.
Nope.
This team, do you have an idea? What is the name of the sport?
Jockey. I think answer is jockey.
Jackie. Jogging. Jogging. Oh. Does anyone know the answer? Very good, yes. Gymnastics. When you watch gymnastics in the Olympics, you see someone run, they put their hands on the horse and they go over the horse. That is a horse, not a real horse. Okay, it's called a horse. Right, I think that was the last question for this group. Now, I will let BBS choose this time. We have one vocabulary challenge for your group. Can you choose a number, please?
I would like number 2.
Number 2. Right. Okay, so don't write until we say go. Just a moment.
Hold on a second.
Wait.
Not right now.
Wait.
Not yet. Not yet.
Okay.
This is what they go.
So you have 1 minute to write the names of jobs or occupations. You must spell the words correctly. The team with the most correct answers will get 2 points. Okay? Ready? Go.
Go.
30 seconds left. 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pencils down, please.
Okay. Hey, Chris.
Thank you very much. I will read out Attamit correctly spelled jobs. Police, no, police is not a job. Policeman or policewoman. Nurse, pilot, doctor, seller. Not really vendor. Seller, in the business world, you can have a seller, okay. A barber, teacher, football player, artist, firefighter, and a killer. I will accept killers. I think like an assassin, someone who gets money to kill people. Yeah, it's not really a job. Anybody can be a killer, but it's not an occupation. So we won't accept that. So, 9 points.
All right. We have policeman, doctor, teacher, footballer, fisherman, nurse, firefighter, bank teller, baker, and cook. 10 points.
All teams forgot one occupation. This occupation can also mean the thing that you do, but you don't get money. Student. It's an occupation. 2 points for BBS. Well done. Right, thank you very much, Group 1. It's time for Group 2. Themselves first. Well,
Good morning, my name is Kim.
hello, Kim. G5.
BBS.
And what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to read comics.
Read comic books. Okay, give them a clap.
Good morning, my name is Peter. I am grade 5. I live back. In my free time, I like to read
Cartoons.
Good morning, my name is Noah. I am in Version 5 at Attamit School. In my free time, I write to play computer game.
Good morning, my name is Happy. I am in Version 5 at Attamit School. In my free time, I like to play the piano. Good morning, my name is Luca. I am in Version 5 at Attamit School. In my free time, I like to play computer game.
Okay, very good. Just one thing, boys and girls. When we talk to the audience, we should look at the people, okay? Not put our heads down. So try to look up and speak, and then everyone will look at you. Okay. Right, let's have BBS first this time. English. Okay, English number 1.
Okay. How many syllables are in the word paintbrush?
Good question. How many syllables in the word paintbrush? Is the answer 2?
Yep.
Paintbrush, 2 syllables. Yes.
Paintbrush.
Attamit.
I would like question number 3 about geography.
Number 3 about geography. Okay, geography number 3 is... There's a picture here somewhere. Ah, here it is. Right. This is the 3rd longest river, not the longest, the 3rd longest river in the world, and it is the longest river in Asia. The longest river in Asia. What is the name of this river? The longest river in Asia. The Mekong. The Mekong River in between Thailand and Laos. No, sorry. Hey, anybody on BBS know the answer? The longest river in Asia. Do you want to guess? It's not an easy question, but someone might know. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No answer? Okay, does anybody know? What's the longest river in Asia? Yes? Yellow River. What was the name of the river in China? Very long river. It's called the Yangtze. The Yangtze River, yes. The longest river in Asia. BBS.
If an animal is a carnivore, what does it eat? If an animal is a carnivore, what does it eat? Very good. Meat.
Yes.
Very good.
Right, Attamit. What question would you like?
I would write question
the fraction 5/10 to decimal. Convert the fraction 5/10 to a decimal.
Sorry, could you say that again, please?
Convert the fraction 5/10 to a decimal.
Change 5/10 into a number with a decimal.
We think the answer is 2.
No. Not the correct answer, I'm sorry.
อ้าวตอบยังคะ
What is your answer, BBS?
ตอบค่ะ ตอบเลยอาซาตอบค่ะ
Okay, 5, 4, 3.
Is the correct answer. Okay. I think Attamit, maybe we didn't learn this in school in English. 5/10 is this. Okay? And a decimal
ชอบเถียงกันนะ
is this. Decimal. So the answer is 0.5. Okay? Convert means change. Right. BBS. Your choice.
I would like to choose number 4, geography.
You chose the last question, yes? Yes. Geography number 4. Geography question number 4. Right. This is called Uluru. Uluru. It's a famous red rock. What country would you find Uluru? What country is it in?
Australia.
Is the answer Australia? Yes. The name of this is Ayers Rock in English, but Uluru is the Aborigine name, the people that lived there first. Attamit.
I would like to choose number 2 about English, please.
Question number 2 about English.
Okay. What is the odd word? The odd word. A word that doesn't belong. Wire, glue, paper clips, pillow. What is the odd
Sorry,
word?
could you say that again, please?
Sure. What is the odd word? The word that doesn't belong. The odd word. Wire,